Yen wepan bor wo coach jitene why team jol central committee for the services, funeral services, and then burial of Emeritus Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth. Committee walen luye form kan chiko viati yung form ngadi committee walk anyitku and the kuwanong two entities. The ECS headquarters in Tottenham, near Ranichol Primate Bishop Justin Wadiarama, anong jam kem ken Bishop Ruben Okudit, Kiran internal province. Chan be church be ken loki to a chubio a chibia smooth. And all of us we felt KY family, you community, Juba and Bor in general. Now they were dealing with a committee be coordinating activities, different bodies established by two churches. War Chiwa Gamkana, a children committee of Nan Kodron. A be nang member representing community to member row representing family, member Diak representing internal province, member one representing ECS headquarters, member D representing Youth Mama, member the Tim representing Jelwali H. Kujilara and Tokiran representing Nakuma. So Kwacha Biabro. Kenechu Mar Kway these bodies, but Kog ECS headquarters have declined. Now I could remember a committee. But I could na the cake, yes. Committee which Russia no activities low cake. Kabojala le. Of course we understand the politics in the church right now. I couldn't compel or no idea what they should do. But a good German I cannot coming back. So Carvalho Bor the committee lunde. I chair the committees non kaloke because as we know, Bor, we have many bodies. So you call community, so you group kabul, you group ke working ke bo a korbuloy ke tia. And ko jam le Garang Anyieth ran Bible chiran no bo. Ayu gam ke ne yin yalich. But nanon kloy karong iburu juir wo bo wo be ngor kene. Chane panda ka be ko bentin. Be panda ka ben wo wiyo tin. Na juir na pet chiloy pet ka bor ga chenye loy. Kuna che koy loy ga chulel mi ka ko war mi Garang Anyieth ke ko jinu Sudan yu ko pinnum ke ga chirio. Ula ka bor ka ke de ne chirio. That's the reason we felt that na daga nong yibu band together. We all and control it na dekene. Engine walk a loyin. Mark nim gati ter ke kam kwaj. Che tade Garang che to kene. E tab you were right. E tia ke wo wadia. Bu ke de bu nom bu rai tia. Bu ja bu dung ana ko kwon ngi to kem wo abu ke jalbe lo gwel ka. Ke watch a lot. So mainly role committee be cock be coordinate loying nguk. Champion conflict in the process ka loy ke. Walk committee chulum ke subcommittee chulum a committee to resource mobilization. A chu form a committee by actually replicating the same numbers of coach, apart from coach yard decline. Ke ka bu ke nyai we now represented in this group na chaka kwen can be to resource mobilization committee. ku ko ka ke task can issues when very important, particular resources, disbursement, and then later on accountability. Now, what you call yogula, ada kiyin, what you will ne iran wana ko kun je ko kur, kwana chin ga tuaitin, a chula la, tuduna a cha koeloi, a cha nyeloi, kuga kun je ko kurga, na no chin ga tuaitin mi cho nyiko, because it's all we mobilized ne, be dig, so that we change duplication activity or duplication funding duplication moraloi. Chima na Iran ci da gam ku le ke ben Arabia jur for instance ka chulu be le ka mana be wa ber da gam ke Arabia unless ke den Arabia ci da amaran be le okay ke kut ne for instance a ber fanila loy okay anyi ku na fanila be ko loy ke it mala ci biya enough ka bu nyi ke ni la ke de kor ke expert be ci committees ke be ke ci gam ke fanila le fanila ke dia kor ke kabida. Just a simple example ko ku chamchen duplication ke loy resources a chia du kwere nyiku resources pan jutu man adapa yen ge chang duon an to ke tin we know chi tong chiro loy man gulf a chen kanga a ke yite no we go to here amar prices are shooting up and nyiku ken we go make na de ki chang em we pyot ke ba be na ker pan bor ko a chi beto today but you deal ngot na de ke tet nga deal ke tin yo lan wo de wo ibo ko ku ke da ko bo nga ke tin ke lo ku loy so ko lo ku a chi ran yo ku dun cho gol riok ka ken ku le lu ya but you le wo ibo tem ku bur mar tin ke ne ku bu loy wo ko de ba to repeat ke bu jal kor nya ena de ku dun cha ga me abu nyi ya chan bu gar pin tu ta na wari pot ano ke chu yo ke bu ya te gi ku kene jela ten kena jela ten one of two main activities ano ga activity bro lo juba one of ben bi go ku de ben pay bi go juba ngade Nairobi ku de ben pay juba e masulia ro e bi jal ku domitene ku bi lar for viewing abi ko juba bi loy abi ko juba bi loy viewing ko era na ben wa kuma e jambe to tin so we believe ko dir war ke lui ke to ken Garang Anyieth ta to abi dil ben ka bi broai so viewing a dil loy juba a chu gam ken ko e ba chi gam wo family a chu gam go community ko chi ken so bor che gam na de ka bro loy tene viewing na chi to ki go jota lere bor jun mene lar bor abi ko bor bi tit malin tor the process then viewing ka ngo abra jalo iten bor gudu ben lo ben ko la long ku jaran jalo tio na chi to ka da long ko ga jalo ko lo ke pa be apate e ko lo ku and after that I chu wada chu to e tia pa chu nom jalo tio le odier kanisa de yene chakke ba ben a retire tin ingate benelo tawtin na je thukene ko wajal ben bu lelo wo report abu jal gor kelanku in general ena de ko work this process a chukur binan ko lu yetista na me disturb well ran me disturb action loy because yen ka riuku so na yira yu no ko kun ko toy pyo ke pel ke cheta de kene loy ku chiba roi ku ka chiro loy war ga pi benin jara chototin e bu no kira ti wo pyo jo dia wa chi wo wa e bor ko ji jun sudan abu di ben ko ger tinang ilaga ken yena ta kene ka lwel kiro war shooting na de resource mobilization committee wo ko committee wo jito dia Kurin ken ang quality to ken ge chairman committee and we board community represent. Jara mo na lier in ge to tene family. Taban non ko ye lula ke der community che der community a family. Family non ko family garang anyieth pa che der. So you do the family members. If family members did, if family members a car or cheng, I family members. Go to a community. One of representative pan General Province go in a Kanisa level here. One or the Brumi generally Kimane Kuna Liera Totten get hertene, very representative. Ran use mama a kin ben. And we believe Emapure John. What can manage a token woman at a board. Ran Kanisa Bor Bishop Peter Young Mayo. You can remember and you can walk. While Goroka met one can walk. At a level now, the crown the primate I declined will Kiran in both committee. So I chew Paul, I chew a lot in Ran Doro, ran up Puma. But Puma jam ran and yell bent, can go out above. And the Ben for the eye, yes, and can walk. The Summer Mobilization Committee ran 2,000 of Professor Deng my long. Then a 2,000. He ran it. And you could get a ban, a chair, I believe introduced in a week. A vice chancellor Jama. Big, part of the senior lecturer. University of Juba by Cholia, universities got Jamala Gam. Kaligam, Janat, or lectures I can know. So in a 2 year that responsibility. Now, community ran Tulum, who are going to be a secretariat that look at the low in a walk, a council, Pura Yuan, in a Chulu, but a 2 year double task. The same work, I mean, I don't know, can community, can resource mobilization community. For our new community represented, a other member, family member, you know, represented, Changar. Okay. Ranbe Kanisa Bor or internal province represented, John Mayo. I thought it. So, Kokoke, Abu Gajali incorporated. London mainly, there is some mobilization, no party. When it comes to issues of disbursement, it cannot be alloyed, you quite talk it there, what be alloyed in a transparent way. A be alloyed in transfer, I she receive, I be got it. None of this man, your lawyer activity, any resources, your maga be alloyed. I'm an Indian Kelundin. So we bought, we land cake, by cooperating when we walk. Can make that. Chiran Newton, what a thing was there. God, you get your quite big in the low, big Abu go point. Can learn to be very successful. Money, you get it a real, then get where dark in it. And I believe what the lecture. Walk Taban, I don't catch up for social media. Grand Baina, Bunguyen, walk information, I'm talking walk. Walk I was Sulian. Timetable, what I would buy left to go Bishop Baina. Look at the social media or radios, okay, cock, I walk I was Suli, walk I be little bit brand Baina. Quite check cake, because a non information crop. Ben, a carriage, Babu Lil. So could be while will be go of bay, go of Kabu Lil, Babiran Benefit. Kiro process bene beauty abu lwel ya bekatde abudi jun bene jor bene lar bo abu lwel de na de lo bo ko bo bila bi peke de bi gala tul or di tiona de ke bene abu dia lwel ku for information ya ke tit no wo